Hey everyone, welcome back to Tesla Daily. Today's March 26th, 2026, and we've got a lot to cover. Let's jump right into Tesla's future. We're seeing some exciting developments on the horizon, especially with their ambitious plans for AI and chip technology. It's a game changer for the way we think about electric vehicles. And speaking of innovation, Tesla's robotics ambitions are really starting to take shape. It's fascinating to see how they're integrating robotics into their operations. Now, let's talk about something that affects all of us on the road, the new supercharger revolution. Tesla is making strides to enhance our charging experience, and it's about time. Also, there's a tease about a new family vehicle. We're all curious to see what they have in store for us. So, buckle up as we explore these updates and more. In a recent social media exchange, Elon Musk sparked excitement among Tesla fans by hinting at a new vehicle that he claims will be way cooler than a minivan. This comes at a pivotal time for Tesla, as the company prepares to phase out the Model X and is in need of a family-friendly option to fill that gap. Musk's brief yet impactful response to a user's suggestion for a three-row vehicle with separate doors for each row has led to rampant speculation about what this new model could entail. The current lineup, which includes the Model Y and Model 3, lacks a true flagship designed for larger families. Musk's comments suggest that Tesla is not just considering a conventional minivan, but is instead looking to innovate with a vehicle that blends utility and futuristic design. This aligns with previous teasers of a cyber SUV, which could offer spacious three-row seating and advanced technologies like steer-by-wire. Interestingly, Tesla's sales figures have shown a positive trend, with a 29% increase in Europe in February, marking a total of 13,740 vehicles registered in the region. This surge in sales could provide the momentum Tesla needs as it introduces new models. As we look ahead, the potential for a family-focused SUV could not only meet consumer demand, but also expand Tesla's market share significantly. With the automotive landscape rapidly evolving, the introduction of a vehicle tailored for families could position Tesla favorably against competitors. As Musk himself noted, indicating that the company is listening to consumer feedback and is ready to innovate. The anticipation surrounding this new model is palpable, and it could redefine what families expect from electric vehicles. In conclusion, while the details remain sparse, the prospect of a new family-oriented Tesla vehicle is exciting. It represents not just an expansion of Tesla's offerings, but also a commitment to meeting the needs of a growing customer base. As we await more information, the automotive world will be watching closely to see how Tesla continues to innovate in this space. Next up, another key development. Tesla has officially begun production of its much-anticipated Cybercab, a two-seat autonomous vehicle that has sparked significant debate since its unveiling in 2024. This bold move comes as the company aims to reshape the economics of ride-hailing, despite skepticism surrounding its limited capacity compared to traditional taxis. The Cybercab, which lacks a steering wheel and pedals, represents a radical departure from conventional vehicle design. Critics have questioned the practicality of a two-seat configuration in a market where larger vehicles dominate. However, Tesla's strategy hinges on the fact that approximately 70 to 80% of ride-hailing trips involve just one or two passengers. By focusing on this demographic, Tesla aims to reduce vehicle weight, enhance aerodynamics, and lower manufacturing costs, thereby improving overall efficiency. Next up, another key development. As we gear up for Tesla's first quarter delivery report on April 2nd, the consensus among analysts indicates a projected delivery of 365,645 vehicles, reflecting an 8% increase year over year, from 336,681 units delivered in Q1 2025. However, this figure represents a significant 24% decline from the 418,227 vehicles delivered in the previous quarter, a trend typically observed in the auto industry due to seasonal fluctuations. The bulk of these deliveries is expected to come from the Model 3 and Model Y, with analysts forecasting 351,179 units from these models alone. The remaining 13,946 units will include the outgoing Model S, Model X, and the newly introduced Cybertruck, which has already seen a surge in demand following the release of a more next up. Tesla is making significant strides in its automation and artificial intelligence sector, which is crucial for its evolution from a traditional car manufacturer to a leading software-as-a-service (SaaS) and AI provider. The company's full self-driving FSD technology is at the forefront of this transformation, with recent software updates enhancing its capabilities. In fact, Tesla has reported that over 400,000 vehicles are now equipped with the latest FSD software, showcasing a growing adoption rate among its customer base. Moreover, Tesla's commitment to developing its custom silicon, including the AI5 chip, is expected to further bolster the performance of its autonomous systems. The introduction of the Dojo supercomputer, designed to train Tesla's neural networks, is another pivotal step in this journey. We anticipate that the Dojo will significantly reduce the time required to train AI models, thus accelerating the rollout of advanced features for Tesla vehicles. In addition to vehicle automation, Tesla's robotics initiative, known as Optimus, is gaining traction. The company is working towards mass production of humanoid robots that could potentially replace human labor in factories. This transition could lead to substantial cost savings and efficiency improvements in manufacturing processes. As Elon Musk stated, the future of Tesla is not just about cars, it's about creating a sustainable ecosystem powered by intelligent machines. However, the path forward is not without challenges. Regulatory hurdles and public perception of autonomous driving technology remain significant factors that Tesla must navigate. The recent uptick in scrutiny over FSD safety features highlights the need for Tesla to maintain transparency and address consumer concerns proactively. Looking ahead, we believe that Tesla's focus on automation and AI will not only enhance its vehicle offerings, but also position the company as a leader in the broader tech landscape. As the demand for intelligent automation grows, Tesla's investments in this sector are likely to yield substantial returns, both financially and in terms of market share. The long-term outlook remains optimistic, with analysts projecting that Tesla could capture a significant portion of the autonomous vehicle market by the end of the decade. Here's the next update you should know. In a groundbreaking announcement, Tesla CEO Elon Musk unveiled the TeraFab Initiative, a project designed to revolutionize semiconductor production and propel Tesla into the forefront of AI technology. During a presentation on March 21st at the former Seaholm Power Plant in Austin, Texas, Musk described TeraFab as the most epic chip-building exercise in history so far. This ambitious project aims to generate over 1 terawatt, 10 watt, of compute capacity annually, with 80% allocated for space-based computing operations and the remainder for terrestrial applications. Musk highlighted a critical issue in the current semiconductor landscape, stating that existing global facilities provide only 2% of the compute capacity needed for TeraFab's objectives. All of the fabs on Earth only provide 2% of what we need for the TeraFab project, he noted, emphasizing the necessity of developing proprietary manufacturing capabilities. The Advanced Technology Fab in Austin will serve as the cornerstone of this initiative, integrating equipment for chip production and lithography mass creation, a configuration Musk claims doesn't exist anywhere else in the world. This strategic move is not just about meeting current demands. It's part of Musk's broader vision for humanity's evolution into a galactic civilization. He outlined a 3-stage plan that includes harnessing planetary energy resources, capturing stellar energy output, and eventually accessing galactic-scale energy. Musk believes that deploying AI chips in space could significantly reduce costs and improve efficiency, as these chips can directly utilize solar power without atmospheric interference. Musk's ambitious plans have garnered attention from industry leaders. NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang praised Musk's unique approach to problem-solving, emphasizing his minimalist mindset and urgency in execution. Huang stated, "When you do all of this in combination, you overcome a lot of previous, this is just the way we do it." Musk's hands-on leadership and ability to drive urgency among partners have been key to his success in building massive AI systems like the Colossus supercomputer, which was constructed in a record 122 days. As we look to the future, the TeraFab initiative could position Tesla not just as a leader in electric vehicles, but also as a dominant player in AI and semiconductor manufacturing. However, the ambitious nature of this project raises questions about its feasibility and the potential challenges ahead. The long-term outlook remains optimistic, but the execution will be critical to achieving these lofty goals. Next up, another key development. Tesla is making significant strides in the robotics sector, particularly with its autonomous humanoid robot, Optimus. As we look ahead, the company has ambitious plans to produce up to 100 million Optimus robots annually. This initiative aligns with Tesla's broader vision of integrating advanced robotics into its operations and eventually deploying them commercially. According to Goldman Sachs, Tesla is overcoming engineering challenges associated with the Optimus project, moving closer to commercialization. The firm highlighted that AI training is a crucial component for the robots, suggesting that Tesla will initially use these robots internally to monitor performance before rolling them out for commercial use. In addition to its robotics ambitions, Tesla is also being recognized for its sustainability practices. A recent assessment from Sustainability Online revealed that Tesla, alongside Ford, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen, is outperforming its peers in supply chain sustainability. This recognition underscores Tesla's commitment to environmentally friendly practices, which is increasingly important in today's market. Investment firms are optimistic about Tesla's future. Morgan Stanley recently emphasized that an unsupervised robotaxi fleet could be a game changer for the company, potentially creating a flywheel effect across its ecosystem. They rate Tesla's stock as equal weight, with a price target of $415, reflecting confidence in its growth potential. Psy Capital Corporation echoed this sentiment, stating that Tesla's AI capabilities are underestimated and that the company is on the brink of a hypergrowth phase. As we navigate through 2026, Tesla's dual focus on robotics and sustainability positions it uniquely in the automotive and tech sectors. The integration of AI and robotics not only enhances operational efficiency, but also opens new revenue streams, particularly in the realm of autonomous vehicles and software licensing. The long-term outlook remains positive, with the potential for substantial growth as Tesla continues to innovate and expand its market presence. In the words of Psy Capital Corporation, we anticipate that it will eventually operate millions of autonomous vehicles and will own the majority of the autonomous market. This reflects a strong belief in Tesla's capacity to lead in both robotics and sustainable practices, making it a company to watch in the coming years. Now let's shift to the next story. Tesla has taken a significant leap in its charging infrastructure with the introduction of the new folding V4 superchargers, designed to enhance deployment efficiency and cut costs. These innovative charging units are a game changer, allowing Tesla to transport 33% more stalls per truck and reduce installation time by up to 50%. Each folding unit features a V4 power cabinet capable of delivering up to 500 kilowatts per stall, with 8 dispensers per unit, doubling the capacity compared to previous models. Max de Zegher, Tesla's Director of Charging North America, emphasized the operational benefits, stating, "Our FU superchargers save 20% plus on cost, improve build quality, and deploy 2 times faster. This new design not only simplifies logistics, but also minimizes the need for specialized labor during installation, which has historically been a bottleneck in expanding the supercharger network." The folding mechanism allows for rapid deployment, with Tesla claiming that the new units can be installed in as little as 2 days, compared to 4 days for older models. This efficiency is crucial as Tesla aims to expand its supercharger network to support the growing demand for electric vehicles, EVs. Currently, there are over 27,500 supercharger stalls available to non-Tesla EVs, significantly reducing charging anxiety for drivers across the United States. The first true V4 supercharger stations have already begun operations, with notable locations in Kissimmee, Florida, and Nashville, Tennessee. Tesla's pivot from V3 to V4 production marks a strategic shift as the company aims to meet the increasing power demands of newer EV models from various manufacturers. Overall, the folding V4 superchargers represent a critical step in Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. By streamlining the deployment process and reducing costs, Tesla is positioning itself to lead the EV charging infrastructure market as adoption rates continue to rise. As we look to the future, these advancements not only enhance Tesla's operational capabilities, but also pave the way for a more robust and accessible charging network for all EV drivers. Here's the next update you should know. In a surprising turn of events, Elon Musk's SpaceX is preparing for an initial public offering, IPO, that could value the company at a staggering $1.75 trillion. This ambitious move marks a significant departure from Musk's previous stance against public listings, which he argued would conflict with the company's long-term objectives in aerospace and exploration. According to reports, SpaceX is expected to file its IPO prospectus with U.S. regulators in the coming weeks, with the listing anticipated around June 2026. The potential IPO has already stirred excitement in the market, with shares of related space manufacturing companies seeing notable increases. Rocket Lab climbed 11.4%, while Intuitive Machines and Sidus Space surged by 19.7% and 24.9%, respectively. This reflects a growing investor. Now let's shift to the next story. In a significant turn of events, the White House has declined Elon Musk's offer to pay the salaries of Transportation Security Administration (TSA) workers, who are currently working without pay due to a partial government shutdown. This shutdown, which has lasted over 6 weeks, has severely impacted airport operations, leading to long security lines and increased call-out rates among TSA personnel. Musk's proposal, made via social media, aimed to alleviate the financial strain on TSA employees, many of whom have missed paychecks during this crisis. However, the White House cited legal complications stemming from Musk's existing federal contracts as the primary reason for the rejection. "We greatly appreciate Elon's generous offer," stated Abigail Jackson, a White House spokesperson. This would, next up, another key development. In a significant legal challenge, IG Metall, Germany's largest trade union, has filed a lawsuit against Tesla, seeking to invalidate the results of the recent Works Council election at the Gigafactory in Grünheide, near Berlin. The union claims that the election was marred by intimidation tactics and undue influence from Tesla management, which they argue violated Germany's Works Constitution Act. The election, held on March 25, 2026, saw the pro-management list, Giga United, led by Michaela Schmitz, secure approximately 41% of the votes, while IG Metall's affiliated group garnered only about 31%. This marked a notable decline for the union, which has been advocating for better working conditions and collective bargaining rights since the factory's opening in 2022. Christiane Benner. That's a wrap for today, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Tesla Daily Insights. I always appreciate your time and interest. We'll catch up again in the next update. Until then, take care.